Welcome to the second video about the recent changes of the MBB tool. Enjoy watching.
Hi everyone, welcome to today's session on the new feature for MBB. As you all know that the MBB tool is a logged tool. Most of the places are locked from the user from editing. So uh, we got a request that people are not able to copy and paste the graphs coming out of MBB because it is a log tool. So we have introduced a feature which allows you to extract graphs from the MBB tool as an image, and the image can be used across the other reports that you may want to use. So we will just quickly show you how that works. Uh, it works on the basis of the graph name. Every graph has a specific name. So this one, say, this one is chart 10, and this one is chart 2, and so on. So every graph has a number. So what the user needs to do is click on export chart and then type in the chart name that they want to export, chart 10, and then click on OK, and it gets exported on a new Excel workbook as an image file. So that is the option for export chart. Another feature that we introduced in MBB was there are always updates happening to the formulas in MBB. Whenever a country exercise happens, we get a request that formulas in this section are not working, and we update that. And there are constant updates happening on the MBB tool. So how does a user who has a MBB tool, a version of MBB tool, come to know whether it is the latest version or not? So if a user has an internet connection and they click on this option for check for updates, it will let you know if you have the latest version of MBB tool or not. Currently we have the latest version, so it is telling us that. In case we didn't have it, it would have directed us to the MBB support website from where the latest version can be easily downloaded. So we will talk about the MBB support website after we have covered all the features or new features of the MBB tool. Now we would like to move to the last feature which we introduced in the MBB tool. Since the MBB tool is constantly under review and updates are frequently implemented on the tool, the user might be working on an older version and they might have already done a lot of customization, a lot of data entry on their side. So how does the user move to the latest version and does not have to do the same data entry? So we came up with a solution of load scenarios where the user downloads the latest version from the website, customize the setup page exactly to the version that he is using, he or she is using. The setup page needs to be set up as equivalent to the version, the older version that the user has, and then you reset the tool, and then the user needs to click load scenarios and then give path to that old version of the file that that we want to replicate data from. We want to capture all the data entries that we have done in the older version to this newer version. So we select that file, and then we say that it's under this folder. We click OK. So it will prompt you that you have selected this folder, and then you select the file, and then you click open. We are not going to do that right now because, as you are aware, the it is a time-consuming process. It will take at least 10 minutes to transfer everything from an older version to the newer version. But the steps that we have said are as follows. You have to configure the setup page equivalent to the older version. You have to reset the new tool, and then you use the load scenario option and select that file to transfer data from the older file to this file, so that you have your data from the previous version and you are also using the latest version of the MBB tool. So these are the new features that we have added on the MBB tool.
If you want to know more, you can check out our other videos, or you can click on one of the social network sites. Thank you for watching.